mind is stronger than you think. A one small positive thought can change your whole day. With this beautiful thought, I would like to start my presentation. Good morning everyone present here. It's me, Diya Chaudhary from VIIIA1, and today I am going to talk about the power of positive thinking. Have you ever faced a situation in your life and you felt like giving up? We all have. Life is full of challenges and sometimes it feels like there is no way forward. But you know what can change the things around? A positive thinking. A positive thinking is not just about ignoring the difficulties, but it's also about believing in yourself and trying to find a solution, even in your hardest time. It's like light which helps darkness. Imagine you're trying to solve a very difficult mathematics problem and it seems like I can't do it. Will you be able to do that? You won't. But if you think like, I'll be better, I'll try harder, then your mind started working harder and harder to find a solution. See, this is the power, this is the magic of positive thinking. In life, there will be many ups and downs, but with positive thinking, we can face anything. Just move forward and succeed. Remember, your thoughts are very powerful, so choose to think it positively and see how it changes your life. With this, I would like to end my presentation.